Namaste. My name is Rui Simmerer. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak, we are responsible for our whole life. Or the Tantra is saying us, we get what we deserve. We have all learned this. I hope so. Think over. You attract what is inside of yourself. And you choose even situations that are bad for you. And you're together with people that you have chosen before. And if you're not aware that they have cheated you or punished you or will do so, then this is your single problem. With other words, if you got punished, cheated, hurt from somebody else, then you are 100% for that responsible, nobody else. So at the end, we don't have to forgive anybody. We have only to forgive ourselves. It's just so simple. Because we are responsible for what we get in our life, what we attract in our life, what situation we are choosing. You can say all the time no. You can say yes. It is our choice. So it looks a little bit hard. So we learn to forgive ourselves for our wrong choices in our life, for our failure, that things went wrong, that we got punished, abused, because we have chosen the wrong people. And so we don't need to forgive anybody, just only ourselves. So forgiveness is not a business. If we don't let go our pain, our failures, our sadness, our bad experience, then this experience will form our future. And we suffer through this even more. And we can see it everywhere. The people got one tragic event in their life and they hang on this tragic event their whole life and suffer instead just to let go it and start new, then we have a good future. Forgiveness is just let go. So we let go our negative experience with other people, even have cheated us, to protect our future or to create a great future. And the next thing is we can learn something. So that our failure, our pain was not for nothing, or we can learn something from it to become better, to choose the next time better. So at the end of the day, we have won from our bad experience because this situation has taught us something for our whole life. So then we don't need to falsely blemish other people for our mistake, for our failure. Instead, we are happy that they have taught us something. And then we find out what they have taught us, and then we let go it to be open for a new, brighter, and better future. Simple. Thank you that I could speak about that, and bye.